FND Flex Values Loader comes with the System Administration Loader license. Using this loader, you can update and maintain the flex values using the Oracle public APIs. This replicates the management typically undertaken in the segment values form in Oracle under the system administrator responsibility. To use this loader, you need to connect the workbook to your Oracle instance using the login button and then select the corresponding template once the template has been installed. Obviously, you can have access to multiple templates within this list of values if you have multiple loaders installed. You can then create a new tab with this template or click OK if you already have a tab with the corresponding template. The template contains feedback columns. You will see the status at the end of the upload and some message in case there is anything wrong with the dataset. And then the data columns. It's organized by section. So you'll see the flex value set section and then the flex values. You will find the same columns as the Oracle forms here. You can tailor the spreadsheet layout and remove columns you don't need. You have multiple options to create your dataset. You can type the data in. You can use some formulas. You can, of course, start by downloading existing flex value sets. You can use the wildcard person character if you want to increase your search capability. And then use this second download option, download using sheets data. The second download option allows you to enter download criteria in the workbook, and then you highlight this criteria and download. You can then add new flex values to this existing flex value set. You can then delete the values that already exist for this value set and that you don't need to update during this upload. We also provide data forms that you can bring up from the main ribbon or by double-clicking on the record you'd like to see. Yellow fields are mandatory. This loader can handle standard, hierarchical, or dependent flex values. With standard flex values, we are able to enter either a new or an existing flex value set name and apply flex values to it. In the first tab here, we can search for our flex value. Again, you can use the wildcard person character to search for an item. In the second tab of the form, we have access to enter the values to the value set. This gives us the option to enter qualifiers against the values as it would in the Oracle forms, if the value set has been set up to handle qualifiers. When you close a user form, it performs validation on the corresponding record. When your dataset is ready, you can either validate the dataset only, you can validate a selection previously highlighted or all rows on this tab, or validate and upload, choosing the upload option. You can upload a selection, upload all rows on this tab, or upload as a background program. Let's upload all. When you choose upload, it starts with validation and then upload only valid records to Oracle using Oracle APIs. Records which have been successfully created in Oracle have an accepted status. Records that were not created have an error status and message to help us correct the value. We can then correct the mistakes and reprocess those. When you upload here, the loader ignores the previously accepted records and just processes the ones in error. You can also update existing flex values, for instance, end date, or disable them. Let's bring up a new sheet to perform this action. Download an existing flex value set using download via sheet. Double-click in this section to bring up the child range user form. Here you have the option to insert or delete a range of child values. Let's choose delete here. Let's also disable one of the flex values here. Then highlight the records you'd like to update and choose Upload Selected. Those flex values have been successfully updated. You can see the feedback for each section. And that's about it for FND Flex Values Loader.